COVID-19 pandemic has definitely affected educational systems worldwide, leading to the near total closures of schools, universities and colleges. COVID-19 pandemic in India is a part of the worldwide pandemic coronavirus disease 2019, to which India responded comprehensively and aggressively. At IBI, we are taking all the necessary preventive measures and precautions because student safety is our priority. The whole campus is under CCTV cameras. Full safety has been taken care of. Time to time cleaning and sanitization is being done. Our campus is all set for new beginnings and happy days. Every student and other people entering the campus will get their temperature checked and hands sanitized before entering the campus. After this last unlock, government has given little relaxation to the colleges but with full precautions and safety. You will find the billboards related to COVID-19 virus and other information around each and every part of the campus. We are promoting social distancing and accordingly has changed classrooms and other seating arrangements, keeping student safety in mind. Our first priority is to keep cleanliness on the top and monitor every student's travel history so that further we could stop any kind of COVID-19 virus to spread. Every part of the campus, be it auditorium, canteen, classrooms, faculty room, garden, guard room, conference room, other important places, etc., has been sanitized properly and has got germ-free protection inside and outside the campus. Not only sanitization, the campus has got done with the special kind of coating called as silver coating, which is specialized for coronavirus. If any kind of coronavirus enters the campus, it will be killed within minutes. One thing we assure you that here, student education and their safety is the first priority. For the same, we are ready to fight back coronavirus by providing more secure and safe environment for the students to study without any fear. We are all in this together and we must abide by these rules laid by the government to have a virus-free and pandemic-free environment around us in future. Corona affects us in two ways, physically and mentally. To ensure safety for all, IBI family is totally cooperating in taking mandatory measures during this tough time to think and act strong. It is compulsory for all the faculty, staff members, students, other people who are working inside the campus to wear their masks all the time. COVID-19 has largely affected and demotivated the students as well as teachers. To resolve this, we have introduced new ways for learnings and teachings. We have already started our virtual orientation sessions for the PGDM batch 2020.
The coronavirus pandemic has brought chaos to lives and everything around the world has come to a halt. Most of the people are struggling and fighting against this situation. But IB Institute Greater Noida came out as an exception and proved that where there is a will, there is a way. During this pandemic, we have filled the pages of our daily record with full of exciting events and experiences. The time where most of the students have experienced significant learning loss, at the same time we have raised our learning graph. To start with, even during the lockdown we have onboarded 90 plus companies for virtual internship and almost every student have successfully grabbed multiple offers in their hand. We have not limited ourselves to internship. We analyzed the situation well and trained our students to make the best use of this time. Along with the internship, our students have managed their time well and enriched their knowledge about various domains by doing different certification courses. To add more, various seminars, webinars and FDPs were attended both by faculties and students related to new technologies and trends which are being practiced by industries these days. This is not the end. We at IBI consider our students as an asset and keeping in mind today's situation, we are practicing every norms that one should follow during the pandemic and we are taking all the precautionary measures. The entire campus is sanitized and all the necessary arrangements have already been made. All the instruction which need to be followed is mentioned throughout the campus. We are ready to take up new challenges and fight against every situation which comes our way. iBusiness Institute goes by its tagline from ideas to implementation. We take up new ideas and implement them for future development. Thank you.
We once again welcome our budding professionals, business tycoons, and entrepreneurs with open arms to build a new era of learning.